Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi. First, let's prepare the foundation, perfect sushi rice. Use short grain rice and rinse it until the water is clear. Cook it with an equal amount of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoned vinegar mixture. This gives your rice that signature sushi flavor and texture, making it ready for rolling. Next, we'll prepare the nori and fillings. Place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of your prepared sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Now, add your favorite fillings like fresh fish, cucumber, or avocado in a neat line across the center. This setup is crucial for a tight, well-formed roll. Now for the exciting part, rolling. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings and tucking it under the opposite side of the nori. Apply gentle, even pressure as you roll forward, ensuring everything stays compact. Continue rolling until you reach the end. Moisten the exposed nori edge with a little water to seal your perfect sushi roll securely. Finally, let's slice and serve your delicious sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened slightly, to cut the roll. This prevents the rice from sticking. Slice the roll into 6 to 8 equal pieces, each about 1 inch thick. Remember to wipe your knife clean between each cut for neat results. Serve your freshly made sushi immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and a touch of wasabi. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.